Hello everybody, how are you? I am Noresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is which sentence use a semicolons correctly? Option A, I know how to use the new software. Fact, I am using it for my school project. Option B, I know how to use the new softwares. In fact, I am using for my school project. Option C, I know I used to new software fact I am using for my school project. Option D, I know how to use the new software in effects I am using for the my school project. The correct answer of the question is the sentence is uses the semicolons correctly is option A. I know how to use the new softwares. In fact, I using for my school project. So that the answer of the question. If we are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.